Good morning, all of you. It is my privilege to introduce to you and welcome Shri Krishna Abhyankar from Pune. He is a trustee of Matra Mandir Samstha from Pune, who is taking up a lot of patriotic awareness program, and he is into education field since 30 years. It is an honor to have you here, sir. He's been taking up, his team has been taking up this what is called as patriotic singing competition. It's really something different from what everybody does, because he thinks from singing patriotic songs, like you can have this patriotism inculcated and to bring out this in students. So hats off to him. He's traveling all over India. I think in Karnataka, I think 3 or more schools have registered. 5 schools have registered from Karnataka, and Shakti is one of them. So a warm welcome to you, sir. Yeah, so we straight away are going to start off with our singing. Yes.
जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदीवनगळ नाडे जय हे रस ऋषिगळ बीडे जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते भूदेविय मकुटद नवमणिये गंधद चंदद ಹೊನ್ನಿನ ಗಣಿಯೇ राघव मधुसूदन रवतरिसिದ भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय सुंदर नदीवनगळ नाडे जय हे रस ऋषिगळ बीडे जय भारत जननीय तनुजाते जय हे कर्नाटक माते जय हे कर्नाटक माते सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हम बुलबुले हैं इसके ये गुलसितां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमां का पर्वत हो सबसे ऊंचा हमसाया आसमां का वो सुंदरी हमारा वो बासुआ हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना मजहब नहीं सिखाता आपस में बैर रखना हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम हिंदी है हम वतन है हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा सारे जहां से अच्छा सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तां हमारा शीतला सस्य श्यामला मातरं वन्दे मातरं शुभ्र ज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमिता ध्रुमदल शोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुर भाषिणी वरदा वरदा मातरम वंदे मातरम कोटि कोटि कंठ कल कल निनाद कराले कोटि कोटि भुजन धृत कर कर वाले अबलां के नमाय तुमले बहुबल धरणी नमामि तरिणी त्रिभुवन वरिणी मातरम वंदे मातरम तुम्हें वेद्या तुम्हें धर्मा तुम्हें वेदी तुम्हें वर्मा तुम ही प्राणः शरीरे बहुदे तुम्हें मां शक्ति हृदये तुम्हें मां भक्ति तुम्हारे प्रतिमा गणि मंदिरे मंदिरे वंदे मातरम
त्वं हि दुर्गा दश प्रहरण धारिणी कमला कमल जल विहारिणी
वाणी विद्यादायिनी नमामि त्वां नमामि कमला कमला मतुला सुजला सुफला मातरं वन्दे मातरं श्यामलां सरलां सुष्मिता भूषिता धरणीं धरणीं मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरम्
भारत माता की
जय
सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा सुर का दरिया बहके सागर में मिले बदलांगा रूप ले बरसन होले होले इससे लालम गिरवरम सुस्वरमम नमदाकम ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ನಮ್ಮದನಿ ನಾಸ್ವರಮಂ ಈಶ್ವರಮಂ ಸಂಗಮಮೇ ಅವತರಂಜಿ ಅವತರಂಜಿ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಸ್ವರಮಂ ನಿಗಳದೆ ಸ್ವರಂ ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಪರಿತನುಮ್ಮಡಿ ಸ್ವರಮ ತುಮಾಶೋಯ್ ಮೊರೇಶು ಸೃಷ್ಟಿ ಕೋರು ಕೊಯ್ಕುಶು ತುಮಾಶೋಯ್ ಮೊರೇಶು सृष्टि करो कोई कुशु सृष्टि हो कोई कोता सृष्टि करे चालन चटनु बड़े समझो तारो मार बड़े आपनो सूर्यालो माझा तुमचा जुळता तारा मधुसरा बरसती धारा सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के, ओ मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर बने हमारा। जय
So, students, you all sang very nicely, beautifully, and I hope we also sang nicely, yeah? Right, so let's hear it from the judge. Over to Sri Krishna, sir.
Respected principal, Babita teacher, all the teachers who have taken rigorous efforts to come up with wonderful song, not only for themselves but even for the students. And those you who have presented a power pack presentation comprising of 3 languages, Kannada, Hindi and Bangla. And even your teachers, they have presented a song. It memorizes entire India, all the states. May it be Bengal, may it be Odisha, may it be Kerala, may it be whatever, Rajasthan, and all states. And all states have only one feeling. You know what is? मिले सुर मेरा, मिले सुर तुम्हारा, तो सुर क्या होता है? सुर हमारा बनता है, सुर अलग होता ही नहीं है. Just 2 small lines, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा, तो सुर बने हमारा, तो सुर अलग बजता ही नहीं है. What a wonderful presentation by teachers. You know, you must be curious to know what sort of competition is this when you see no competitor over here and we call it a competition, isn't it? Generally, when it is sport competition, you have number of players, sports person to compete against. But it is nobody is there. And how is the competition? So competition is different way. I have captured your both performances plus some surrounding evaluation will be done by me. And after we reach Pune, some knowledgeable persons will evaluate one by one and give marks and rank will be declared. That is just a small part. Real competition and real prize is here and the prize has already won by you. You have got the prize. Who feels, yes, I have got the prize? You know what is prize? Even for a moment, if your heart is properly filled with the emotions and feelings in the song, even for one moment, yes, Kannada Mata, I have to do something for Kannada Mata. Even for one moment, if you are feeling that, then prize is yours, because that is the real prize. Even one teacher has taken the feeling to his deepest levels of heart Yes, Mile Sur Mera Tumhara. All teachers singing together. You know, it is not a joke. Making all them practice, making all them feel alike, feeling the spirit of competition in every heart, and then to present a song. It's not a joke. Because, you know, teachers have different schedules to follow, different responsibilities to shoulder, different schedules, different tensions, some necessary compulsions at home, some necessary compulsions at school, plus what new or a competition, you have to prepare, come together, practice once, twice, thrice, learn by heart. And this is a song with a number of variations. How many languages are there? So, taking this song as a competition song itself is prize-winning thing. Isn't it? You feel like it, you feel alike? Considering this song as competition song itself is prize-winning thing. So I congratulate additionally to all your teachers for choosing this song, and special congratulations for presenting this song. Matru Mandir Vishwasta Samstha, the Samstha I belong to, is Samstha of Matru Mandir, that is Bharat Mata Ka Mandir. Matru, that is Bharat Mata. And all our activities should be aligned in such a way that we should be adding some pride to our motherland. If it is school, we should do best. If it is home, we should do best. If it is sports, we should do best. If it is farming activity, we should do the best. If it is industry, we should do the best. If it is kala, we should do the best. Because adding that betterment in every walk of life is real puja of Matru Mata, Bharat Mata. We have one representative Bharat Mata over here. That is only a symbol. A real Bharat Mata is everywhere, in every walk of life. And just to excel in every field will automatically become puja of Bharat Mata. The symbolic puja is to be done once, but actual puja is to be performed every moment. That is Bharat Mata ka pujan. And one such structure that reminds you of that real puja of Bharat Mata is Matru Mandir. And that is what Matru Mandir is for. You are very blessed and lucky students because you are having a fantastic set of teachers, fantastic infrastructure, such a big hall. At times when you require, I know even your classrooms are air conditioned. Right or wrong? So, you are very much privileged. But what about those students who have to really walk 7 kilometers across the hills, across the jungles, no footwear, nothing, but still they are also students of same Bharat Mata. They are also doing worship of Bharat Mata in same passion. Isn't it? So what you can do, you can take best benefit of this infrastructural support given to you. And everyone should see that what record I am going to set, in which field I will be doing the record activity. So that record, you know, it's a very matter of pride. मेरे जैसा कोई नहीं. Running में, I am the first. No one can match my speed. In writing, no one can do as good as I can do. May it be singing. So what record I can do? You can think, ponder over. It is not competition that within 3 minutes you have to come up with answer. No, it's not like that. Think, what best I can do. And every student in our school should be a record holder in particular thing. Different record holders. How many students are there at present? How many of them are? We have 1,000. Sorry? 1,200 record holders, then it will be a record of record making. I will go to other schools and I will tell that I have visited a school who have just passed a resolution that 1,200 different students are there, and all 1,200 students, girls and childs together, they have made a resolution to create a record in one different field. School of record holders. Then that is real Shakti. What is Shakti? It is the real Shakti. This is Shakti of Gopal Krishna. This is Shakti of Bharat Mata. This is Shakti of united efforts. I again congratulate all of you. I am very happy to be here. And whatnot. I would like to invite you and your teachers to our institution in Pune. Come for an educational tour. We would like to spend good time. I will take you to forts of great Shivaji Maharaj. I will take you, because Pune is surrounded with number of forts. Raigada, Rajagada, Torana and Shivamogga. Number of forts are there. So, you like Shivaji Maharaj? Yes. So come down to Pune, plan a good trip, some 2 days, 3 days, and I would like to be there, and I would like to take personally to all these forts. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your appreciation and for your invitation to Pune. I think we'll plan a trip to Pune next time. We would like to present you a small gesture of appreciation that you have come all the way from Pune to our school. I'd request Principal Sir to honor Sri Krishna.